We formed a social enterprise company in 2012 for this corner of Anglesey. We are now providing a facility for the community, run by the community. We are all community directors. We get nothing out of the centre other than enjoyment that we've kept it open. We took on the challenge, and our hopes for the future is that we will grow from there in ensuring that we expand, we provide other facilities that the community demands, and that we take our place within the circle of leisure centres, stroke community activity centres within this area as being the place to visit.